Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're going to be taking a look at the super cool, epic World of Nintendo Squishdylicious. That's what we're going to be looking at today. It's a Yoshi egg. It's like a stress ball. You're effectively killing a Yoshi inside this egg. Over and over again, the Yoshi's dying. Oh no, I killed the Yoshi. It's dead. Got my favorite character in the game. Cheep Cheep. This one is totally the best. He's all deformed. It's a red shell. These are the red shells. They automatically target the person that's like closest to you, and they hit them. Wow! Wow! Oh wow!